Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy Trey, aka the Plush King. I'm here to help you on how to sell stuffed animals. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clean it up, how to make it a little brighter if you need to, get the colors popping, if it's white, if it's yellow, if it's red. Usually those vibrant colors you need to wash up because either if you're getting them at a thrift store, or if you're getting them at a Goodwill, if you're getting them in the bins. I don't know where you live, but over here, where I live in South Texas, what up, Mission City. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to clean this stuffed animal up. I'm gonna teach you how to, get the dirt out, how to really clean it up. You don't have to put it in the dryer. You don't have to put it in the washer. I think that's just a waste of time and a waste of electricity. And nah. So you got to put some hard work in it. You have to really dig into it. I do it old school. So I think this is the way to do it. I like doing a hand wash. I like hand washing all my products before I sell them. So that's just the love I'm trying to put in my product. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then yeah. Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy Trey coming at you with that video. So what I usually use to start off with the process on cleaning a stuffed animal is I usually give it a rinse with like a soft bristle brush. These I ordered. I'm looking on to partnering up with somebody that where I can make my own and brand off with these. But yeah, basically I use these soft ones to give it a rinse, and then after that I get like a medium bristle. And the medium bristle, this one basically gets everything out. This one kind of like brightens it up a little bit. And then if there's something that it's just really stuck in there, and it's just a lot of dirt, and just doesn't want to come off, there's a deep bristle, and there's this one, and this is the one I use to get the dirt out really bad. Because if it's just really in there and you need to get it out, and it's something that's going to cost you, not cost you, but that's going to make you money, bro, get that shit out. Clean it up. It's going to be 30-40 bucks. Like this Snoopy's probably like 20 bucks. So if I clean it up, it's going to look real nice. I don't want to give something that, I picked up and it doesn't look like, if I owned it. So that's the kind of like feel I'm trying to get. Like if I had this one like stuffed on my shelf, like it was like a collector's item, if anything. So let me get into it. This is gonna be step one. You're gonna see me just rinse it off everything. So let's get it. There's not a lot of people who do videos on stuffed animals, and like I said, it's the most underrated product
in the game.
You don't have to put it in the dryer, you don't have to put it in the washer. I think that's just a waste of time and a waste of electricity. Y'all can just do me the favor on, head to my Instagram, give me a follow on Instagram, ask me some questions if you need some questions. If you can give me a subscribe on YouTube, and if you can give me a subscribe on my Twitter, ask me some questions. For all those people that thrift, that resell, just do your thing. Keep making money. It's Q4. Shout out to Rockstar Flipper. Shout out to 10K on the Bay. Shout out to the Hustle B. Shout out to Hustler Hacks. Goddamn. Motherfucking shout out to everybody goddamn over here. Hey, but it's your boy Trey, aka the Plush King. We're gonna get into it. Let's get it.